Falafalaiat ko ako Koni-Leighs. Ko ako Daisy Vivian. Ko ako Leani.
Ko Sontel.
Ako e magtubo ako e te tonu no toro. Today we're gonna make homemade noodles.
You'll need salt, masima,
Egg, mama. Kapinyo mo cookie. Flour, flour. First step, dahil kapinyo flour. For our wet mix, dahil for more isipin kalabay. Mix ingredients together. The dough is sticky. Mine's not sticky. No.
Mix needs to be firm.
Mix until it's bind. Pagkawan ito 5 kilak na flour. We press the dough. After mixing, leave it for 30 minutes. Put up and stir it away. Before you open, do the white bella. Laku e palao. Now we're going to roll our dough with a pin. If your dough is sticky, just put some flour on it on the table. Roll until it's thin.
We're gonna fold the dough. We're going to cut the noodle pieces very thin.
Oleh mo ito ke langamata ke hele ito. Hele fakapala ito. Done. I'm gonna put my noodles in the pot. Lunch is served. Paler mo than natin tomorrow. Pagkawalay ko siya.
Yummy.